Hi, it's Kerry. Here's my aquarium. Can you tell me how many crabs in today's video? The pufferfish is also known as the blowfish. When a predator is after them, they suck in a lot of water and air into their elastic stomachs and become several times their normal size so they won't fit into the predator's mouth. I'm going to use my fishing net to help catch the sea creatures. The jellyfish. They use their tentacles to sting. Most are harmless to humans, but stings from the transparent box jellyfish can be very painful and sometimes kill. This is a very slippery squid. The reef squid, such beautiful colours. They are a small 20cm torpedo-shaped squid with undulating fins that extend nearly the entire length of the body. And this is Hank from Finding Dory. Blue squid. They have a soft body. As a squid moves through the water, they stretch in the mantle area. This forces water through the funnel. They are very quick as well as agile in the water. The clown triggerfish. They are named after the spines situated on their backs. Few species are known to eat clown triggerfish. Bruce is being a bit difficult to catch. Bruce the great white shark, one of my favourite characters from Finding Nemo. The blue-spotted stingray has beautiful iridescent blue spots on the top part of its body. The spots are a warning sign to other sea creatures, warning that it is poisonous. The Atlantic Goliath grouper is one of the largest members of the sea bass family. The head is broad with small eyes and the pectoral fins and tail fins are rounded. The koi fish is a coloured form of carp that are kept for decorative purposes in outdoor koi ponds or water gardens. The word koi means carp in Japanese. Squid. He is the son of Crush. He is seen playing hide and seek with Dory, and he then listens to Marlin's story of how he lost Nemo. Squid acts and talks just like his dad. I'm just going to untangle them a bit. I'm actually after Bailey if I can get him. No, he's swimming away. Come on. Got you. Bailey, the beluga whale from Finding Dory. Poor Bailey, convinced his biological sonar skills are on the blink, but doctors can't find anything wrong with him. Actually after Sally Lightfoot crab there. Bit of a slippery customer. That's it. Sally Lightfoot. Young Sally Lightfoot crabs are black or dark brown and camouflage well on the black lava coasts of the Galapagos volcanic islands. Adults like this one have much brighter colours. The largemouth bass definitely has a large mouth. It's a type of freshwater game fish in the sunfish family, a species of black bass native to North America, and quite spectacular colours there on the body and lots of detail with the scales and fins. Here's Nemo, and you can see his short fin there. Such a popular character. I'm after the piranha. I hope those sharp teeth don't bite through my fish net. The piranha fish lives in the rivers of the South American jungles. It has a single row of razor-sharp teeth that are triangular in shape and are used to puncture and rip into prey. Quite a mean-looking face there. I love the colours of this one. The octopus. When discovered, an octopus will release a cloud of black ink to make its escape. They move forward by expelling water through their mantles. The guitar fish or shark ray. They feed on the sea floor and eat fish, crustaceans and mollusks, and you can see they would blend in very easily with the bottom of the ocean floor. I think I've got a double header here. And this is Otter from Finding Dory. Such a cute little guy. The shrimp or prawn. Shrimp are curved creatures with lots of antennae and legs. They are grey or almost transparent in colour. Larger shrimps are called prawns in some regions. They feed on plankton. I'm just going to untangle them a little bit. I'm after that big blue crab. Got you. The blue crab is named after its blue-coloured claws. Females have a reddish tint on the tips of their pincers. They are excellent swimmers with specially adapted hind appendages shaped like paddles. I'm after the moray eel. Can't get away. The moray eel lives in holes and crevices amongst the rocks and coral on the ocean floor. They have an elongated body, slightly flattened towards the tail. They also have large eyes and mouths which contain large teeth. I am after that hermit crab. The hermit crab has a soft underbody which it protects by carrying a shell on its back. Its shell belonged to another animal. As hermit crabs grow, they continue to find larger shells to live in. The manta ray are found in warm temperate, subtropical and tropical waters. They are filter feeders and eat large quantities of zooplankton which they swallow with their open mouths as they swim. The giant squid is a bit of a mystery. The largest one found measured 59 feet or 18 metres in length and weighed nearly a tonne. They live in very deep and cold water, which is not easily accessible to scientists and divers. The queen triggerfish is an amazing looking fish. It will uncover buried prey by blowing water out of its mouth towards the sand where the creature is buried to uncover it. The Ammonite first appeared about 240 million years ago. This cephalopod was a predatory, squid-like creature that lived inside a coil-shaped shell. It had sharp, beak-like jaws inside a ring of tentacles that came out from their shells to trap prey such as small fish and crustaceans. The flying fish can be seen jumping out of warm ocean waters worldwide. Their streamlined torpedo shape helps them gather enough underwater speed to break the surface with their large wing-like pectoral fins and gets them airborne. The weedy sea dragon are able to blend in with the seaweed and kelp where they live. They are closely related to seahorses and pipefish. They have very long, thin snouts, slender trunks covered in bony rings, and thin tails. It's getting a bit easier to catch them now. The Cownose Ray are related to sharks and skates. They get their name from their forehead, which looks like a cow's nose. They have an excellent sense of smell and touch, as well as electroreceptors on their snouts to help them locate prey. Sea lion. Sea lions are marine mammals that have external ear flaps, long foreflippers, and short thick hair. They can walk on all four flippers. They are very social animals and can communicate with each other. The goldfish. They are descendants of carp and originated from China. They have no eyelids, so sleep with their eyes open. And here's another Nemo clownfish. I've been after Dory for a while. And here's Dory the blue Tang. The fins are relatively small and it has venomous spines covering the back and the tail. When caught by a predator, the fish releases these spines in defense to escape. Leatherback turtle. Turtles are reptiles and have a hard protective bony shell. The shell is streamlined to help them with swimming. Another double header. The octopus. It is able to camouflage itself with its surroundings. Predators such as sharks, eels and dolphins swim by without even noticing it. The seahorse. They are fish that have a horse-shaped head with a downward pointing snout, which is used for sucking up food. I really like the coral on the bottom of this model. They propel themselves by using small fins on their back and steer with their pectoral fins either side of the head. spotted seal. They're found in the North Pacific Ocean. They have silver to light grey fur with dark spots. Pups are born with a white coat but molt to the adult colours after 3 or 4 months, and you'll see a pup later on.